next day, let's do another one. This one was complicated again. It's like as you can see, it's like the one display one, but this is a lot more complicated, a lot more wires, and oh no, actually about the same amount of wires, but a lot more messing about. And I got it working after messing about with it for ages. Display's a little bit odd. I don't know why it's a little bit darker at the bottom, but it's cutting up. That's all that matters to me. Some of the display weren't showing like the last one, but this time I messed about with it a bit more. I think I put the wires the wrong way round, but as you can see, it's counting up, no props. Right, next one shouldn't be much of a, should be a quick one, but I'll be back in a minute. Right, this is another video. Don't mind the weird noise in the background. Girlfriend's playing some shark world thing. This is quite a simple one. This one, it's a bit unusual because for this time you actually don't use the breadboard. This is for sweep, it's called, and you just use a servo for the first time. See, all it used was just the Arduino and the servo connected to a wire there, and that's all it does. It just goes side to side, bit by bit like that. Nice and quick and easy. Quite a weird one, but that's done. I'll be back with the other one in a minute. Thanks, sir. Right, one more after this one. This one was hard to get done because if you look at this diagram here, girlfriend turned the rubbish on again. It looks nothing like this diagram. It's completely different. Makes no sense, you guys. Girlfriend's messing about in the background here. There's nothing like that at all. So I thought I'd zoom in on this picture, try this one. This one worked. So all you do is, you got this potentiometer here. You turn this knob here. It turns that knob on the, turns the servo. Nice and easy. It's fine, there's no delay. When you turn that, it turns. Absolutely no delay in it at all. It's pretty cool.
Why is it so slow?
Well, because I'm turning it slow. If I turn it fast, it turns fast, see? So if you wanted, like, I don't know, if you're doing like a remote control car, you turn the servo there, that'll turn that servo. Something like that anyway. Right, one more to do. Next one's using a step motor and a motor in it. So back in a minute. I lied, this is not the last one, there's one more after this. So one pretty simple one. Used a few things I haven't used yet. A stepper motor board and a motor for once. You can't see much as what's happening here. You can't even hear it very much. But this motor is slowly going round. I can feel it moving very slightly every time. It's very, very, very slowly. You can feel it going round. But obviously that board's lighting up. It's all wired up. New wires. This, what are they called? Father to mother wires, I think now. That's what I call them.
Son and sister.
No, they call them something. Female to female jumper wires, that's what they call them, sorry. Which is pretty simple. That board's lighting up, it all works. It's hard to tell from this one. But I think the next one's got a bit more to do with this motor, so that'll be the last one. I'll be back with the last one, and then we'll do another video next time for it. Okay, last one for this video. Working! This is what I left on this one. This uses the motor again and the stepper board. Use a potentiometer as well. This one's pretty simple. I'm not using these diagrams anymore. These diagrams are rubbish. Anything I use is probably this bit. I usually go by this picture here, more accurate, and it seems to work every time. This one's pretty easy. This time you actually can see the motor running. All I have to do is move this potentiometer around, and you can see the motor twirling to the right. When I turn the potentiometer to the right, it goes fast. If I turn it to the left, you can see it slowly slowing down till it turns to the left completely and it's off. Nice, quick and easy one. Right, hope you like this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. If you haven't checked out the last video, there's a link in the description and there should be a card at the end as well. Hit the subscribe button and see you soon. Bye.